So guys, welcome back. So Microsoft has recently announced that they are providing the ChatGPT feature in its search engine, which is Bing, and is available through Microsoft Edge only. So for those who do not know what ChatGPT is, it is an artificial tool that helps you find the relevant answers to all your queries, just like you are chatting with an artificial intelligent bot. You can see right over here. In this way, you will get the query of all your questions with more relevant answers. So guys, this is the newest web page of the Microsoft Edge where you will find all the relevant queries according to your interest right in the home page. Now whenever you open bing.com, you will find an option of ask me anything, which means that it is now totally dedicated to providing you a search result just like a chat GPT with the help of artificial intelligence. And Microsoft is claimed that its newest model is much faster, more accurate, and more capable with improved safety than what ChatGPT currently is. It can even handle longer queries than the ChatGPT. Currently, the Bing search engine with ChatGPT is in only in the limited release, so you need to sign up for it and then you are in the waiting list to try ChatGPT. You can see over here also it is giving an example, ask real questions, get complete answers, introducing the new Bing. Click on it, learn more option. Now go ahead and click on the option join the wait list. Now it is saying great, you are on the wait list. Now wait for the email from Microsoft that allows you to go ahead and test the ChatGPT feature with Bing search engine. I got the approval. I will surely share the results of both ChatGPT with Bing search engine and ChatGPT with Google search engine. Let me know in the comments below if you're really going to switch from Google to Bing search engine if the feature of ChatGPT is available inbuilt right in the Bing search engine by Microsoft. So that's all friends. Stay tuned for the new updates and keep watching Lotus Geek.